Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I did my makeup for Rizu-kyun from my Dress Up Darling. I've started my makeup by taping my cheeks to make them look slimmer, and then I am applying BB cream to even out my face color. And while I'm doing it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And you can also check out my other social media and support me on Patreon or OnlyFans. Next, I apply concealer on all the areas that require extra coverage, and in my case it's under my eye area, my nose, and around my nose, chin, and corners of my lips. Next, I take a lipstick I'm going to use later and put it as a blush base, focusing on the area around my nose, and I slowly build it up to make sure it's not too much. I set everything in place with a loose powder and a beauty blender, and then I remove excess with a brush. Next, I grab a red eyeshadow and outline my eyebrows with it. I'm going to put the lenses on in the very end because my eyes are extra sensitive today, and I actually always put them and the eyelashes on only once I have full cosplay on when I do my makeup off camera. My eyes are very sensitive and I don't want to have anything on them for even 1 extra minute, and I am absolutely amazed at how some people wear lenses and lashes on a daily basis. Then I take a very light red shadow and put it all over my eyelid and under my eye as a base color. I want it to be brighter, so I do another layer. Next, I grab the shadow I used on my eyebrows and put it on both corners of my eye, creating a halo effect. And I also add some under my eye to darken the area. I clean up the fallout with a soft brush, and next I take a very dark burgundy color and add a little bit on the outer corner. I forgot to set my eyebrows earlier, so I do it now, and then I apply an eyeshadow primer on the center of my eyes so the shimmery color sticks better. Then I put a satin red eyeshadow on top of it. I draw bags under my eyes with a brown pencil, and then I lighten area under the eye with a highlighter. Next, I do the eyeliner and I draw the most basic wing ever. There's literally nothing special about it. I curl my eyelashes and apply the mascara on. Next, I use the light red eyeshadow and add more blush. I contour my nose. And next I put the highlighter on my nose and cheeks. I use a brush with leftover blush on it to tone down the shine so I don't blind you guys. Next I take a nude lipstick and apply it all over my lips as a base. Then I take a red lipstick and put it on the center of my lips. I want the center to be even darker, so I just grab a darker eyeshadow and add it on top. It sticks especially well if the matte lipstick is still not fully dry. Then I put the eyelashes on. I cut them down a bit to fit my eye and I used tweezers to help myself. Next I'm going to show you how I make and put on the fangs. I grab white nail tips and I choose one of the bigger sizes and I just trim it with scissors to the length and shape that I think will fit. Then I file down any rougher edges before trying them on. You want them to be a little bit longer and come up to the gums so it doesn't just cover your teeth. Because when you glue them on, they get glued onto the gums way better than teeth. They're still a little bit too long, so repeat the cutting and filing. To stick them on, I use a denture strip. You could use cream, but the strips are much less messy. I cut a small piece and stick it onto my tooth and gums. Then I kinda scoop it down with the fang so it's all under the fang and my lips doesn't stick to my gum. And I just press the fang down. And ta-da! Finally, I pop the lenses in and we're done!